So yeah, hope you've had a great new year. We haven't seen you since August.
No uploads.
No uploads. Sorry about that. But now we have. We've just built a structure, and we've tried to make it so it creates the number 1001.
Why 1001?
Yeah.
Because
why 1001?
you lot subscribe to Mr. Magic Movies channel on YouTube. 1001 subscribers.
We've hit 1001 subscribers, so I thought we'd do a special video to mark that occasion.
Yeah, thanks for subscribing. Really
Thanks for subscribing to us, and there will be more Wood Cities, so stay tuned. Yeah, can't really do it now 'cause it's cold.
It's cold. Britain, it's always cold, except for, do you think we'll aim to hit Wood City 10 in this summer of 2015?
Hopefully we'll be making Wood City 9 and 10 this summer. We'll do our best to do that. So yeah.
Thank you again, and let's get to it.
Let's get to it then.
Chairs out of the way.
Move the chair. Move the chair.
Knock the towel down.
Start the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire! That's it.
There we go.
It's the end. It's another demolition. It's a destruction. Taken a small tour before this place
Smashes
like a
place.
So it already has. Oh, that's a shame.